Hi, this simple tutorial is going to show you the differences between a string and an integer. So let's look at this simple example. We have a variable burger and we say burger equals to $3. We have another variable drink and we say it is $1. And we want to find out the total cost of a burger and a drink. So we create another variable total equals to burger cost plus the drink cost, and we print the value inside total. So we expect to see 3 plus 1 equals to 4. When you run, you'll find that it is not 4 but it's 31. So why is it 31? So let's look at this variable here. So when you see a single quotes here, this is known as a string. It is not an integer value. So it's like a text. Okay, so this is a string 3. Then burger stores another text or string 1. So this is a string 3, this is a string 1. When you see a plus operator with a string, so this is a string plus another string, Python will not do a summation because you cannot do a summation on a string. They will do something called concatenation. So what is concatenation? Concatenation means they put a text, they join the text together. So you say burger, which is 3, plus drink, which is 1, means they will join the 3 and the 1 together. When you print, that's where you see 31. So these two are actually string value. But if you want to just do summation, you want to treat them as a numerical value and integer, so you shouldn't put a philosophy here. You should not put a single quote. So when you put this, then this 3 is a numerical value, or we call them integer value. So now burger has the value integer value 3, drink has the integer value 1. So when you have an integer plus another integer, Python will do a summation. So when you run, that's where you see 4. So if you have no single quotes, these are integer. Integer plus integer gives you summation, and they sum up the value and give you the total value. If you put a single quotes here, then these are not integer. They are known as string. And when you have a string plus another string, it performs concatenation. They join the text together. And when you run, you will see 3, 1. Hopefully this simple tutorial allows you to see the differences between a string and an integer.